Did you know that something as simple as the fruits you're eating could be the key to dissolving blood clots and keeping your heart healthy? Blood clots are often called silent killers because they can strike without warning, leading to dangerous conditions like heart attacks, strokes, and deep vein thrombosis. But what if I told you that the solution to reducing your risk might already be sitting in your kitchen, waiting for you to take a bite? In today's video, we're diving into nature's pharmacy to discover the 7 best fruits that can help dissolve blood clots and improve your overall circulatory health. So, if you're ready to transform your fruit bowl into a life-saving arsenal, stick around, because I'm about to reveal some delicious, science-backed secrets that could change your life. Let's start with a quick look at why blood clots are so dangerous. Clots form naturally in our bodies to prevent bleeding, but when they form inside our veins without an injury, they can be deadly. These clots can block blood flow, leading to conditions like pulmonary embolism or stroke. According to the CDC, up to 900,000 Americans are affected by blood clots each year. And here's the scary part. Many people don't even realize they have them until it's too late. But here's the good news. While medication is often necessary, research shows that there are natural ways to reduce blood clot formation. And that's where these fruits come in. Let's kick things off with one of my personal favorites, pineapple. Pineapple is not just a delicious tropical treat. It contains a unique enzyme called bromelain. Studies show that bromelain has anticoagulant properties, meaning it helps prevent blood clots from forming and breaks down existing ones. What's more, bromelain also reduces inflammation, which is a major contributor to clot formation. In fact, some studies suggest that regular consumption of pineapple could be as effective as taking aspirin for reducing clot risks, but without the potential side effects. Want a fun way to add more pineapple to your diet? Try blending fresh pineapple with spinach, banana, and coconut water for a tropical smoothie that will have you feeling like you're on a beach vacation, even if you're at home. Next up is pomegranate, often called the jewel of fruits due to its vibrant red seeds. But did you know that pomegranates are also a jewel for your heart? They are packed with polyphenols and punicalagins, compounds that have been shown to reduce platelet aggregation, basically stopping your blood cells from clumping together and forming clots. Pomegranate juice has also been found to boost nitric oxide production, which helps dilate your blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing clot risks. That's right. Just a glass of pomegranate juice can help keep your arteries clear and your heart pumping strong. Not sure how to enjoy this fruit? Try sprinkling pomegranate seeds over your morning yogurt, or tossing them into a salad with spinach, goat cheese, and walnuts for a gourmet experience right in your own kitchen. Who doesn't love a good orange? But oranges are more than just a quick snack. They're a powerful tool in keeping your blood flowing smoothly. Oranges are rich in flavonoids, especially hesperidin, which has been shown to improve blood circulation and prevent clot formation by inhibiting platelet aggregation. And let's not forget about vitamin C. This potent antioxidant strengthens blood vessels and reduces inflammation. It also helps your body produce collagen, which keeps your veins and arteries flexible, reducing the risk of clot-related conditions like deep vein thrombosis. Here's a quick tip. Start your day with a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice for a burst of flavonoids and vitamin C, or add orange segments to a spinach salad for a refreshing, sweet twist. Now, let's talk about some tiny fruits that pack a big punch. Berries. Whether it's strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries, these colorful little superfoods are loaded with quercetin and anthocyanins, 2 compounds that work together to prevent blood clots by enhancing circulation and reducing platelet stickiness. A standout study even showed that regular consumption of berries improves endothelial function, which is crucial for maintaining healthy blood vessels. Plus, berries are rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation. One of my favorite ways to enjoy berries is in a smoothie, or simply sprinkled over some oatmeal. And here's a fun twist. You can add them to your water for a naturally sweet and refreshing drink. Next on our list is the tangy and refreshing grapefruit. This citrus fruit is packed with naringenin, a bioflavonoid that has significant antithrombotic properties. Naringenin helps reduce platelet aggregation, which means it prevents blood cells from clumping together and forming clots. Grapefruit is also high in vitamin C, which strengthens blood vessels and supports overall cardiovascular health. However, a quick word of caution. If you're on medication, especially statins or blood pressure meds, be sure to check with your doctor before adding grapefruit to your diet, as it can interact with certain drugs. One delicious way to enjoy grapefruit is to add its segments to a salad with avocado and mixed greens, or make a zesty grapefruit salsa to top your favorite grilled fish. Let's move on to the kiwi, a small but mighty fruit that's packed with antithrombotic benefits. Kiwi contains an enzyme called actinidin, which helps break down proteins more efficiently, reducing the risk of clots. Plus, kiwi is rich in vitamins C and E, both of which fight oxidative stress and inflammation, key factors in preventing clot formation. A study from the University of Oslo revealed that eating 2 to 3 kiwis per day significantly reduces blood clot formation, with effects similar to taking aspirin but without the potential side effects. For a refreshing snack, try making kiwi popsicles by blending kiwi with a bit of honey and freezing the mixture. Or add slices of kiwi to your breakfast cereal or yogurt for a tangy treat. Before I reveal the final fruit on our list, let's clear up some common questions about fruits and blood clots. One question a lot of people ask is whether it's safe to eat fruits like pineapple if they're diabetic. Since pineapple is high in sugar, the answer is yes. You can enjoy pineapple, but in moderation. Pineapple contains beneficial nutrients like bromelain, but it's important to manage portion sizes to avoid spikes in blood sugar. Another common question is about the interaction between fruits and blood thinners. Many people wonder if fruits like pomegranate or kiwi might interfere with their medication. While these fruits can help prevent clot formation, if you're on anticoagulant medications, it's always best to consult your doctor before making significant changes to your diet. Finally, let's talk about the avocado, often hailed as a superfood, and for good reason. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and raise good cholesterol, HDL, both of which are crucial for maintaining healthy blood vessels and preventing clot formation. But that's not all. Avocados are also packed with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps prevent oxidative damage to your blood vessels. Plus, they contain folate, which has been shown to reduce homocysteine levels, a known risk factor for blood clots. One of my favorite ways to enjoy avocado is on toast with a sprinkle of red pepper flakes. It's a simple, delicious, and heart-healthy way to start your day. Now, here's the exciting part. While each of these fruits is powerful on its own, combining them can amplify their benefits. For example, try making a fruit salad with pineapple, berries, kiwi, and pomegranate seeds. Or blend avocado into a smoothie with oranges and spinach for a heart-healthy, clot-busting drink. So there you have it. 7 of the best fruits to help dissolve blood clots and keep your heart healthy. From the tangy kick of grapefruit to the creamy richness of avocado, these fruits are not only delicious, but also powerful allies in your journey to better health. Remember, The key to maintaining your circulatory health is consistency. Try incorporating these fruits into your daily routine, and you'll be amazed at the benefits. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more health tips, and share your favorite fruit recipes in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're using these fruits in your meals. And as always, remember, your health is in your hands. Sometimes, the smallest changes make the biggest difference.